Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to be showing you some road works from the St. Thomas roadworks starting right around the corner. Alright, peeps? Yeah, man, and watch this. On our way to St. Thomas, though. St. Thomas and Portland, if so be the case. Yeah, peeps, so give thanks to those who donated so that I could have the car transmission back up and running. Actually buy a transmission, and yeah, the car drive good, peeps. You know? So this is the start of the roadworks out here. If you notice, them are up on the side there. So them diverted through up here, so. This was normally just a shopping parking area. But the park when you shop at them shop right this is it. So now we're back on the Bellway main road. See how them drive, peeps. So that was the Bellway main road, part of the Bellway main road roadworks. And the next, me I go show you. Let me see what comes next. Maybe the Grand Spen roadworks, peeps. So follow me. Yeah, peeps. So this part of the highway right here, as you notice over there, it will go to the left and go through the hills. Alright, guys. Now showing you where part of the road I go come out. So it'll take you like 2 minutes to cover a 28 minutes journey. Now showing you that, peeps. And you see that on the left where the people are, like, I'm not for showing that when I come out. But yeah. So peeps, we're in St. Thomas. Not really fall too hard. You hear Betsy sound, peeps? You hear Betsy sound out in the type Betsy in our comment section down below. You couldn't like how Betsy sound now. Yeah, peeps, this is the main road going into St. Thomas. And I remember how much mile this was there, but I wanted the mile there through the whole day. Yeah, peeps, when you see how the long journey we would have cut out, I'm showing you how we would have come out, peeps. Alright? Shout out to Rat, the baddest mechanic in a Kingston 8. He make Betsy a drive right now. You Yeah man, the man put in the transmission in less than 6 hours. Normal mechanic, I'm afraid of them things because them tell me say 2 days it will take for put in and them things there. So I never want to hear about transmission problem yet. But guys, I think the more problems that come my way and I solve them, it will be more of a man. So yeah, I feel good. And really appreciate the support guys, the help, the assistance. You understand? Yeah man. So I really have to give you guys quality content. Yeah peeps, now them corner through the water come out on the road, it kind of booming bad. Yeah? You know, we're gonna try to cover St. Thomas and even the first part of Portland today. So, yeah peeps, follow me on the journey. Don't go around there, no? You know, you must really chop a bro. Yeah peeps, so this is the second phase of the roadworks guys. Yeah man, and you see that? The whole heap of roadwork are going around here peeps. The whole heap of roadworks peeps. So heading down into Grand Spend now, where a major part of the road work is being done. I'll show you that guys right around the corner. I know a country where I go, so I'm around the corner, I don't know that, but major piece of the road work being done. down here, guys, is where we would have came out, alright, and there will be an exit on the hill also, we'll just pass. But when you see how far, when you see the mountain road where we cut out, guys, yeah man. I'm gonna see if I can show you a clip from a drone footage in this video, alright? Yeah man, I'm showing you that. So let's take a look at it. See them peeps. Guys, this is Grand Spen. We're head towards Albion now. Yeah. Every time I come and St. Thomas to extend. Look here, people. Join home. Hold it for road work going. It's gonna be one straight road from Albion straight to Grand Spen in a place. Yeah man. So who know the area, type Albion to Grand Spen in the comment section down below. Albion to Grand Spen. Alright peeps? Yeah man, it's gonna be one straight road. going into poor man's corner. Somebody said what they said, there's always a poor man's corner, no poor woman's corner. Yeah guys, this is poor man's corner. Yeah. And guys, remember to look out for the Elite Mobile on the road. Yeah, you can give a shout out, you can give a big up. You can even big up yourself too. Big up your place where you come from. Yeah man, because we're getting large amount of viewership, alright? So yeah peeps, look out for the Elite Mobile, and the competition will be soon on again. We spot the mobile competition. Yeah, we win $1,000 credit if you spot the car anywhere around Jamaica. I know this time it's for real, yeah? So the rules of the competition are, guys, I will tell you 3 parishes, and I will be in 1 or 2 of those parishes, but I'm not going to go to one of them. And then y'all look out in those parishes, and anybody will spot the car and take a picture of the car and upload it to them WhatsApp and send it, come give me, win themselves $1,000 credit. Digicel, alright? We only do Digicel credit. Sorry about that, peeps. up into the town of Yallahs. Who come from Yallahs, type Yallahs in the comment section down below. You know the procedure, peeps. Yeah, man. Peeps, and thanks for watching. I'm just reaching, you know, guys, and I like 6 minutes after 12 right now, curfew time. So yeah, man, y'all stay safe, and if you enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, and remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get all of my updates. Alright, y'all stay safe.